Until now, your client-defined or user-defined fields had definition but lacked relationship. You've been able to power the collection of information relevant to your program or required for your organization's internal systems, but you've been forced to do so 100% of the time, even in instances where the data is not needed. Often, a client-defined field is really only necessary if a user inputs a specific value within another client-defined field. What you really need is a decision-based or conditional response field that you can trigger when the situation dictates. To provide you more control over your data entry, we have enhanced our CDF feature to better understand when there's a relationship between one field and another. Users now have the ability to configure CDFs to only be required when a specific driving response is input into another CDF. Additionally, the time required to input a request, candidate, assignment, or project can now be reduced because your fields, if not needed in that instance, can be made optional and therefore skipped. Let's take a look at this enhanced feature to give you a better idea of how it can serve your organization. Your first CDF type must be a drop-down list. Subsequent related fields can be any field type. You can create a single additional field, or when needed, a CDF response can trigger multiple required client-defined fields. Note that all optional CDFs have to be visible if there is a potential decision-based relationship that could make them required. In this example, we have configured a conditional relationship between the candidate preferred work location field and the candidate preferred work location address field. If we select the candidate preferred work location from the drop-down box, you will notice that the candidate preferred work location address field switches to being required. This is indicated by an asterisk that now appears beside the CDF. If we change our response and the subsequent CDF is no longer required, the asterisk disappears and the user can choose to skip the field. If you want to know more about this or any Beeline feature, please contact us for more information.